Alright guys, I'm going to mix it up a little bit today. We are taking a look at the TuffKnives Geoff Blauvelt Custom Catalyst SLR knife. Excuse me. This is an interesting piece. It's quite nicely done, if I do say so myself. The overall length is 8 inches. Blade length is 3.5 inches of Nitro V. It's got this really interesting acid wash pattern with the satin finish as well. So it makes it really stick out. The handle length is 4.5 inches of titanium, and it's got these milled out holes right there. Very cool. They are satin on the inside and stone washed on the outside, which is fun because it looks, well, obviously you can tell it looks beautiful. You got a pocket clip for tip up right-handed carry only. It is a flipper with a frame lock, and let me tell you guys, the action on this is incredible. Wow. I don't know if you noticed that, but I didn't do anything and it just fell completely shut. This is the kind of stuff that like knife nerds geek out over. Yeah, this knife is quite expensive. That's why I said I was mixing it up today. This is a custom, so it's $1,200. So if you're feeling like you can spend that much money on a knife, go ahead over to our website and grab it because there's only one of them. This is the TuffKnives Geoff Blauvelt Custom Catalyst SLR. Buy it at Blade HQ.